Can you see him? I mean, they didn't have the whole fucking cheese yet. Still, I see him standing on it now. I just said, oh, that is you, pack it. I said, if you just hold them, how do they get back? They love the cheese. Me or you? You only hunted them, you done fucking nothing. No, that's what the shade see, didn't. It didn't snap.
And he had half of the cheese.
In at least. Get his come off for the rest.
And Jesus, I hope he fucking gets it caught now. After fucking setting the hooer. Go on and snap. Jesus. You have the whole fucking cheese yet. It's a fucking terror. No. See, the whole thing is rusted. And even as... He's sitting on it, so he is. Be Jesus Christ. And this who are looking at him. Doing nothing. Fucking useless. Jesus Christ.
He can't win after him anyway.
Huh?
This fucking flag was on this morning.
This is going on now. You had to get him out of bed and still done nothing.
No. That's when he was checking that, when he's at now.
Yeah.
It's easy bringing the last of it.
He has nearly the whole fucking cheese yet. And he's sitting up on top of it. Oh no.
And it wouldn't snap.
Indeed it fucking wouldn't. Sure, it's all rusted and it must be as out as the hill is.
When he went for that one that wouldn't snap. There he is.
He knows fucking well which one wouldn't snap. And the mouse, or the cat looking at him. Jesus Christ. He's having a fucking great time. Ah, Jesus Christ. He may go to the other ones as well. The other one's over in the corner there.
No, that'll feel him.
Hmm?
That's the feet will do him.
Go and snap. But Jesus, when you think it's snap. For fuck's sake. If I hadn't put my finger in it, it'll surely snap.
Oh, Jesus, he's walking on the fucking thing, sir.
You walk right across it. Huh? Ah, no, that's a fucking shock. Jesus, it'll all be around it. You're looking for more. You're not one bit fucking happy. Ah, Jesus.
Ah, that's a shock.
Huh? You're going for a drink of milk. Ah, Jesus, the fucking... Ah, that's a fucking who.